In this video, I'm repairing my coupling GE washer, replacing the circulation pump that's in the washer up against the wall. We see the numbers, the tools you need, a 10mm socket, a pair of pliers, and a replacement pump. The pump is a WH23X24175 right here. And you can see my 10mm socket, pair of pliers. Machine's leaning up against the wall so I can access the bottom. The pumps this we're replacing is up in the upper right here. It's held in place by three 10mm head bolts and the hose clamp. First, we're going to take the hose clamp off. Back up the hose. Good to position a towel down below to catch any spills. We undo the bolt. Third bolt will pull the pump free. First, we're pulling the electrical cord off here. You pinch the hole here and pull it away from the connector. Pull the pump out of the bottom, some water spills out, catch it on a towel. Push the pump out of the hose. Now, first there's a little clip here that holds the wire and attaches into the motor housing here. I have a little trouble pulling this out. If you have a trim separator tool might be good for pulling this out. I'm doing this wrong right now. The right way to do it, I'll get to in a minute, is to kind of clip it firmly and then just pry the pliers up towards the thing to pop it out of the hole. Okay. Do it this way. This thing doesn't work. I just grip it. Pry the pliers up towards the tank, and it pops right up. Fit the rubber part up into there. Catch the hose. Rubber seal up into the tank. Line the screw holes with the holes. And the wire's attached into a little clip on the side of the part here, so I'll break that free and you get a longer wire, and that plugs right into the hole. Get one of the screws into the holes, start it. Another screw. And a third screw and drive it home. Later took the pump apart and figured out that what had filled the pump was some sediment that got down in and block the rotor from turning. We fit the third bolt. And the bolts are fitted. So we'll attach the hose clamp. And we're done. Doesn't show here, but it's also good to attach the clip on the wire with the hole. Also to make sure that hose clamp is fitted all the way out.